So, what's up everyone? I'm Ivo Levin, representing Kinetic Dance Studio. I'm Deval Shukla, one of the best contemporary dancers of all the time. Today, I'm going to teach you how to sing golden lady in easy and
6 million ways to die. Choose one.
so let's get started.
So, there is a 5 keys to get your leg split 180 degree in easy and best way. First, running session, warm-up session, workout session, basic stretching session, intensive stretching session. Now, continuous running about 15 to 20 minutes. Benefits of doing running: maintain homeostasis, warm up whole body, strength improve, increase stamina and fast blood circulation. Sometimes you feel like giving up. Then you have to be remember there are lots of motherfucker to prove wrong. So just never give up. Never give up. Winners are not those who never fails, but those who never quit. The pain you feel today will be the strength you feel tomorrow. The future depends on what you do today. Remember my words. Promise yourself that only I can change my life. No one can do it for me. Promise yourself that only I can change my life. Some people dream of success while other people get up every morning and make it happen. If your dreams don't scare you, they are not big enough. भीड़ हमेशा उसी रास्ते पर चलती है जो रास्ता आसान लगता है, लेकिन इसका मतलब यह नहीं कि भीड़ हमेशा सही रास्ते पर चलती है। अपना रास्ता खुद चुनिए, क्योंकि आपसे बेहतर और कोई नहीं जानता। अगर किसी चीज़ को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात तुम्हें मिलाने में लग जाती है। अगर आप उस इंसान की तलाश कर रहे हैं जो आपकी ज़िंदगी बदलेगा, तो आईने में देख लें। जो लोग अपनी सोच नहीं बदल सकते, वो कुछ नहीं बदल सकते। एक इच्छा कुछ नहीं बदलती, एक निर्णय कुछ नहीं बदलता, लेकिन एक निश्चय, जिस व्यक्ति ने अपनी आदतें बदल ली वो कल बदल जाएगा, और जिसने नहीं बदली उसके साथ कल भी वही होगा जो आज तक होता आया है। किसी भी काम में अगर आप अपना 100% देंगे तो आप सफल हो जाएंगे। अपनी लाइफ की छोटी से छोटी प्रॉब्लम्स, बड़ी से बड़ी प्रॉब्लम्स, उसमें जाकर इन 2 वर्ड्स को चिपका दो। अंदर से जिस दिन आवाज़ आने लगी ना, आसान है, उस दिन सब कुछ सच में आसान हो जाएगा। और यही मेरी लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा सीक्रेट है, सबसे बड़ा। जैसा तुम सोचते हो वैसे ही बन जाते हो। सफलता पाने के लिए हमें पहले विश्वास करना होगा कि हम कर सकते हैं। जहाँ तुम हो वहीं से शुरू करो। जो कुछ भी तुम्हारे पास है उसका उपयोग करो। भाई, सबसे बड़ी कमजोरी है कि हम छोड़ देते हैं। सफलता का एक रास्ता है कि एक बार और प्रयास किया जाए। जब तक किसी काम को किया नहीं जाता तब तक वह असंभव लगता है। महान कार्य को करने का एक ही तरीका है, जो आप कर रहे हैं उसे पसंद करें। आपके पास सीमित समय है, उसे दूसरों की ज़िंदगी जीने में बेकार मत करो। अगर आज एक का दिन आपकी ज़िंदगी का आखिरी दिन होगा तो क्या आप वही करोगे जो आप आज? तुम्हारा सबसे बड़ा दुश्मन तुम्हें उतना नुकसान नहीं पहुंचा सकता जितनी तुम्हारी खराब। If you want something you have never had, you must be willing to do something you have never done. Life begins at the end of your comfort zone. When you feel like quitting, think about why you started. No matter how many mistakes you make or how slow you progress, you are still way ahead of everyone who is not trying. Just believe in yourself. Even if you don't, pretend that you do, and same point You will. All great achievements require time. Remember my words. Don't focus on comparing yourself with others. Be your own motivation and focus on the battle within yourself.
Infuse your life with action. Don't wait for it to be happen. Make it happen. Make your own future. Make your own hope. Make your own love. Don't wish for it. Just work for it. Motherfuckers. Don't compare your beginning to someone else's middle. Don't. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start. Push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. The most important words you can say to yourself, yes, I can. Just say, yes, I can. Your body can stand almost anything. It's your mind that you have to convince. Don't afraid of being different. Be afraid of the being same as everyone else. It's not where you started in life, it's where you end up. Believe in yourself. Believe. When you know what you want and you want it badly enough, you will find a way to get it. When you want to succeed as much as you want to breathe, that's when you will be successful. If you focus on results, you will never change. If you focus on change, you will get results. Your mind is a powerful thing. When you fill it with positive thoughts, your life will start change. People often say that motivation does not last. Well, neither does bathing. That's why we recommend it daily. The truth is something you have to do. What's best for you and your life, not what's best for everyone else. When you focus on problems, you will have more problems. When you focus on possibilities, you have more possibilities. Success is a journey from good to better to best.
Success is never achieved by the size of our brain, but it is always achieved by the quality of our thoughts. Never stop dreaming. Yesterday's dream can become the reality of tomorrow and the innovation of the future. Dreams are not that we see in night. Dreams are that which do not let you sleep. You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits. Surely, habits will change your future. Simple as that. You have to dream before your dream can come true. Excellence is a continuous process and not an accident. Stay away from negative people. They have a problem for every solution. Kill them with your success and bury them with a smile. All of dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Leave the past, talk about the present, and think about the future. There are only two options: make progress or make fucking excuses. Sometimes you should keep shut and show people who you are, whose actions speak louder than words. So show them. Don't worry about failures. Worry about the chances you miss when you don't even try. Don't lose hope if you are not getting promoted. Remember, Pradyuman is still an ACP and there is still an inspector after 17 years of service and 100% performance. Words are words and promises are promises. But action is reality. Your life is your message to the world. So make sure it's inspiring. If you work hard for 20 years, you can enjoy for 70 years, bro. But if you enjoy for 20 years, you must work for 70 years. Success is very simple, by doing small things at the right time. When you have strong determination accompanied by strong actions, it's not impossible to reach your destination. Simple. Pain is temporary. Quitting lasts forever. Remember my words. You will win, not immediately, but definitely. I guarantee it. If you dream it, you can do it. Simple. Whatever you are, be a good one of you. Be original, be unique. Empty mind is like a devil mind. So busy yourself. Don't tell people your dreams. Show your achievements. Work hard for it. Only you can change your life. No one can do it for you.
किस्मत तो उनकी भी होती है जिनके हाथ नहीं होते। हिम्मत बताई नहीं दिखाई जाती है। समझो इस बात को। गलतियां इस बात का सबूत है कि आप प्रयास कर रहे हैं। भरोसा खुद पर रखो तो ताकत बन जाती है, और दूसरों पर रखो तो कमजोरी बन जाती है। शिखर तक पहुंचने के लिए ताकत चाहिए होती है, चाहे वो माउंट आबू एवरेस्ट का शिखर हो या आपके पेशे का। मंजिल चाहे कितनी भी ऊंचाई क्यों ना हो दोस्तों, रास्ते हमेशा पैरों के नीचे ही होते हैं। अगर हारने से डर लगता है तो जीतने की इच्छा भी मत करो। संघर्ष इंसान को मजबूत बनाता है, फिर चाहे वो कितना भी कमजोर क्यों ना हो। संघर्ष करो जो तुम पाना चाहते हो उसके लिए। सफलता हमारा परिचय दुनिया को करवाती है और असफलता हमें दुनिया का परिचय करवाती है।
जिंदगी गुजारने के दो तरीके हैं, जो पसंद है इसे हासिल कर लो, या जो हासिल है इसे पसंद कर लो। Never give up. Today is hard. Tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be sunshine. Winners never quit, and quitters never win. It always seems impossible until it is done. There is no failure except in no longer trying. You just cannot beat the person who would not give up. Never give up on something that you cannot go a day without thinking about. Never give up. Most of the important things in the world have been accomplished by people who have kept on trying when there seemed to be no hope at all. So be the right one. Never give up. For just the place and time the tide will turn. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. Never give up. It doesn't matter how slowly you go as long as you don't stop. If you fall behind, you run faster. Never give up, never surrender, and rise up against the odds. Survival can be summed up in 3 words. Never give up. That's the heart of it reality. Just keep trying. Just keep trying. Keep going. Your hardest times often lead to the greatest moments of your life. Keep going. Tough situation builds strong people in the end. Never stop dreaming. Never stop believing. Never give up. Never stop trying. And never stop learning. Never, 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 never give up.
If you have a dream, don't just sit there. Gather courage to believe that you can succeed and leave no stone unturned to make it a reality. It doesn't matter how many times you get knocked down. All that matters is you get up one more time than you were knocked down. You may be the only person left who believes in you, but it's enough. It takes just one start to present a universe of darkness. Never give up. Success is not obtained overnight. It comes in installments. You get a little bit today, a little bit tomorrow, until the whole package is giving out. The day you postponate, you lose that day's success. Do it again, sing it again, say it again, read it again, write it again, sketch it again, rehearse it again, learn it again, try it again. Because game is practice and practice is improvement.
You don't have to be great to start, but you have to be start. Great. So start now. Beginning is hard, but it gives results. Never give up, never give up, never give up.
So guys, if you like it and like him also, so make sure to follow him on Instagram, link is in description, and make sure to like, subscribe and comment and share this video with your friends so you never miss a new update from Vivo Lilwin, and press the bell icon. And
I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level.